Welcome aboard to our ultimate guide for first-time cruisers. If you're gearing up for your maiden voyage, you're probably feeling a mix of excitement and uncertainty. What should you pack? How can you avoid the common pitfalls that many first-time cruisers face? Well, worry no more. Today, we're diving into the 12 essential items you need to pack to ensure a smooth and stress-free cruise experience. First things first, let's talk about sun protection. Sunscreen and sun hats are at the top of our list. Spending time on deck means plenty of sun exposure, so don't skimp on these essentials. Trust me, your skin will thank you later. Next up, swimwear and beach cover-ups. You'll want to pack a few swimsuits and some lightweight cover-ups for lounging by the pool. And while you're at it, throw in a stylish pair of sunglasses to protect your eyes and complete your poolside look. Now, here's a tip you might not have considered. Bring a power strip. Cabins often have limited outlets, and with all your devices, a power strip can be a real lifesaver. Staying hydrated is crucial, so don't forget a refillable water bottle. You can easily fill it up at water stations around the ship, keeping you refreshed all day long. Speaking of comfort, make sure to pack some comfortable walking shoes. Whether you're exploring the ship or venturing out on shore excursions, your feet will be grateful. A portable charger is another must-have. With all the photos you'll be taking and social media updates you'll be posting, you'll want to keep your devices powered up. Don't overlook a small first aid kit. It's always better to be prepared for minor injuries or ailments while on board. For your important documents like your passport and ID, a travel wallet or pouch is essential. Opt for one that's waterproof and offers RFID protection for added security. Even if you think you won't need it, pack some seasickness medication. It's better to have it just in case the waves decide to rock the boat a bit too much. Packing cubes are game changers when it comes to organizing your luggage. They help maximize space and keep your clothes neatly arranged. Lastly, a reusable bag is incredibly handy for carrying beach items or souvenirs and helps reduce your environmental impact. To recap, here are your 12 cruise essentials: sunscreen and sun hats, swimwear and beach cover-ups, a power strip, a refillable water bottle, comfortable walking shoes, a portable charger, a small first aid kit, a travel wallet or pouch, seasickness medication, packing cubes, and a reusable bag. Thanks for joining us on this packing journey. We hope these tips help you set sail with confidence and ease. If you have any cruise stories or tips of your own, share them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our video on cruise tips and tricks for even more great advice. Happy cruising!